Saiyan loves a good fight, and you'll discover my powers soon enough. So let's stop talking and cut to the chase. This time you're going
For sake, he's a
You're making me mad!
Spike, be free!
No!
Hey, you
No!
come and listen to my acceptance speech, will you?
Well, it looks like you're not that super of a Saiyan after all.
Well, Spike, I never noticed before. No wonder you're so happy all
In
this time.
fact, I guess this makes you the loser. What does this
Don't worry,
mean?
Pop, I'm still
It means
listening. I just
Piccolo
want
was
to
right,
check on
and that Vegeta doesn't stand a chance against
What's
Frieza.
wrong?
Oh, nothing. Tommy just took off his diaper.
Well, put it back on.
How can I beat Frieza? I've used all of my best moves.
Yikes!
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all?
Good boy, Spike.
My acceptance speech, will you?
Huh?
Sure, Pop.
Four.
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all? Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all? Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all?
Tommy, idea.
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all?
It's nothing to worry about.
Going fast.
Natural? You think running around with no clothes on is natural? I don't know what kind of family you're from, Dee, but in my family, we wore clothes.
Don't believe it. It looks like Frieza's too much for Vegeta.
I think you're right.
Spontaneous shedding of clothing by infants is a natural outgrowth of their desire to control.
You're wrong!
What is that?
I am a Super Saiyan!
Oh, it's coming.
Go for it, Vegeta!
Did you get ahead?
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all? Huh?
And then your mom has to change you, and she yanks your shirt up over your head, and it hurts you.
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all?
So that's but
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all? Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all? Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all?
You.
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all?
You're nervous. Daddy, I'm surprised at you. I mean, they're just babies. Lipshit says...
Don't start with that hippie lipshit steed. I don't know what kind of baby commune you're trying to run here, but it's time to face facts. The 60s are over and we lost, so just get with the program, all right?
We're never gonna see Phil and Lou again. How sure we are, Chucky? I don't think their mom is gonna let him come back. All because of you making him get Nikki, Tommy. I don't care what anybody says, Chucky. Nikki is good. Nikki is sweet.
Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all? Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all? Vegeta, what are you trying to do? Destroy us all?